And starting a new layout in InDesign, you might want to use guides to help you position individual elements. InDesign comes with a whole lot of scripts that are readily available, but most people don't know about, and they're very easy to use. So I want to show one of those scripts called AddGuides. So what I do is I first select the element that I want to use as a reference. Then I go Window, Utilities, Scripts, and I dig into Application, Samples, JavaScript. I double click Add Guides. There's some options that I can choose, and that's it. I click OK, and my element now has guides that can help me position other elements on the page. So scripts, each time you have to do something repetitive in the Creative Cloud app, you should think about scripts. There's a lot of scripts available online or standard with the applications, and you can always talk to a software developer to create a custom script to help you automate a time-consuming task.